Hello, English learners, and welcome to English in a Nutshell. Are you ready to have some fun with English?
That's right, Emma. Hello, everyone. I'm Marco.
And I'm Emma. We're so excited to have you join us for another lesson.
Today we're tackling a super useful skill, how to make small talk in English.
It's easier than you think, and we're here to show you how. Let's jump right in.
Small talk. What is small talk, Emma?
Good question, Marco. Small talk is a polite, friendly conversation about simple topics.
Right? It's what you talk about with people you don't know very well, or with friends when you first see them.
Exactly, like when you meet someone at a bus stop or in a shop. It helps us be friendly.
It is very useful. So, let's learn how to make small talk in English. Are you ready?
Let's begin. The first part of small talk is the greeting, saying hello.
Yes, this is the start of the conversation. So, what can we say?
Hello or hi. Hi is a little more informal, more casual.
Okay, so hello, Emma.
Hi, Marco. See? Very simple.
After you say hello, you can ask, how are you?
How are you?
And what are some good answers?
A very common answer is, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Right. It's polite to ask them back. And you?
Yes, so let's try, Alex, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thanks.
You said, I'm very well. That's another good answer.
It is. You can also say, I'm good, thanks. Or, not bad, thanks.
Not bad. That's a very friendly, casual answer.
I'm good. Not bad. I'm very well.
So, a mini conversation could be, hi, Emma.
Hello, Alex. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
Not bad, thanks for asking.
Perfect. That's a great start to any conversation.
Okay, so after greetings, a very popular topic for small talk is the weather.
Ah, yes, the weather. People love to talk about the weather. It's a safe and easy topic.
It is. Everyone can see the weather. So what can you say?
Well, you can just make a comment. For example, it's a beautiful day today.
Yes. Or if the weather is not good, it's terrible weather today.
Right. So you can say something positive or something negative.
Let's give some more examples. You can look outside and say, it's sunny today.
Or it's cloudy.
It's windy.
It's raining.
Or it's snowing.
Okay, those are good words. Sunny, cloudy, windy, raining, snowing.
You can also ask a question about the weather, like, what's the weather like today?
And you can answer with one of those words. It's sunny.
Let's try a small conversation. Alex, look outside.
Okay.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It's so sunny and warm.
I agree. I love this weather.
Me too. It's much better than yesterday. It was raining all day yesterday.
Oh, right. That was not fun.
So you see, it's very easy to talk about the weather.
Another great topic for small talk is the weekend.
People often ask about the weekend on Monday.
Exactly. So on a Monday, you can ask someone, how was your weekend?
How was your weekend? That's a very friendly question.
It is, and the answer can be very simple. You can say, it was good, thanks.
Or it was relaxing.
It was busy.
Or even just, it was great. And yours?
Yes, always remember to ask back. And yours? Or, how was your weekend?
Let's practice. Emma, how was your weekend?
It was great, thank you. I went to the park. How was yours?
It was relaxing. I watched some movies at home.
That sounds nice.
Now, what if it's Friday?
Ah, good question. On a Friday, you can ask about future plans. You can say, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Or a more casual way is, any plans for the weekend?
Right. And again, the answers can be simple. Yes, I'm going to see my family.
Or not really. I think I'll just relax at home.
I'm not sure yet. What about you?
So many good phrases. Let's try one. Hey, Emma, any plans for the weekend?
I think I'll go shopping on Saturday. What about you?
I'm going to a friend's birthday party.
Oh, that sounds fun. Have a great time.
Thanks, you too.
Another fun topic for small talk is hobbies and interests. Another great topic for small talk is hobbies and interests.
Oh, that's a good one. It's a great way to find out what people are passionate about. So, we know how to start a conversation, and we've explored several great topics for small talk, like the weather, weekends, and hobbies. But how do we end a conversation?
Exactly. You can ask something like, "What do you do for fun?" Or, "Do you have any hobbies?" That's very important. You need to end the conversation politely.
Right, you can't just walk away.
No, so you can say something like, "Well, it was nice talking to you.
That's a great one. It was nice talking to you. It's very polite.
Anyway, I should get going. This shows you need to leave."
I should get going. Okay, what else?
"Have a good day." Or, "Have a nice evening."
And then you say goodbye, like goodbye or bye.
Or, "See you later."
Let's put it all together. Imagine we are at the office kitchen.
"Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. It's a nice day today, isn't it?"
Yes, it's beautiful. So, any plans for the weekend?
"Not much, just relaxing. You?"
I'm visiting my parents. Well, it was nice talking to you, Emma.
"You too, Alex. I should get back to work."
Okay, have a good day.
"You too. See you later."
Bye.
Bye.
Wow, that was a perfect small talk conversation. We used everything.
So, that is our lesson on small talk.
We learned how to say hello and ask, how are you?
We learned how to talk about the weather,
And how to ask about the weekend.
and finally, how to end a conversation politely.
The most important thing is to practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's right. Small talk is about being friendly. People will be happy you are trying.
So, this week, try to have a small talk conversation in English with a friend, a teacher, or a colleague.
You can start with, "Hello, how are you?" It's a great first step.
Yes, it is.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for listening to Daily English 10.
We hope this was helpful. Keep practicing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.